Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Silent Snake, the most average content creator. Bringing you back another live video. Well, not live video, recorded video, but live for me and then playback for you. Anyway, I'm bringing you Insurgency Sandstorm today. I got level 15 already. I've been playing it for a while, getting my feet wet, understanding the game. It's my first time doing a video on it. I've seen everybody do videos. We've all seen videos on it, so I'm not even gonna explain the game. You should know what it's about, kinda. Jump right into the game, see what goes. Searching. Where am I? Where's my gun? Where's my gun? Boys, the commander has no gun. It's glitched. Got it. Boys, we need comms on the radio. Where they at? Oh.
Right side's clear, bro. Left side, they're all on the left side watching the cross to the objective.
Grab Charlie then. I just got fucking lied to. Somebody's on the building.
Far left, get all the way into the objective, into the base.
Look at that KD though. Ignore that. Cover it up. Cover it up. And it was different. I haven't played Insurgency in a long time. It's a long time since we had a tactical shooter. Minus Arma. But let's not worry about that. These change. Change on the daily. Don't talk back like that.
Nah, man, no!
What'd I say?
Clear comms, clear comms.
No, we didn't start yet.
No.
Clear comms.
Okay, let's
We didn't start yet.
All right, let's go.
Clear.
Get out of the way, Bears. Get out of the way.
They're taking Alpha.
Oh, they're actually here.
A's clear. A's clear. A's clear. Alpha's clear. Alpha's clear again. Alpha's clear again. Alpha's clear. One Alpha. One Alpha. Put me in the game, coach. Put me in the game. Why did I follow him? Why did I follow him? Jump. Down. Fucking what? All I saw was a grenade. What is his aim? What is happening? Got him. All that matters. He got him, coach.
Thank you. No one on A.
Good people on A. Oh, we lost A.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
No, leave me alone. You've been chasing me all day. Leave me alone.
You guys gotta calm down.
Is this like domination or what?
It's like a defend the point when they attack.
Like Vietnam. It's like conquest in Battlefield, except when they take it, you can't take it back.
It's my team deathmatch.
This could be a stupid question, but does anybody play with the controller?
Oh hell no.
Okay, let's go.
Do not recommend.
Better.
Does this game have a progressive system?
Oh bro, all you had to do was fire that RPG into the room. Like I did to the RPG on the room. Holy shit,
Do you
did
unlock
we
more
win?
guns or what?
We'll never forget you, Bodum.
Oh, the level up. Oh, the 14, 17. Not looking good. Not looking good. Damn. Alright, boys. This is your captain speaking. We're gonna go blow some shit up. Wait. The plan is we're gonna go to A. I'm gonna smoke it. And we're gonna take it. Just like that. Got it? Got it? Alright, rip my ears, bro. Rip my ears. Bro, I need you. I'm gonna call on smoke. I need you though.
Fuck that, dude. We can just run past him.
Oh. Alright, I'm sorry, Mr. Professional. Gosh.
What?
Sneak, sneak, sneak. Quiet, quiet, quiet. What? He's not dead? What? Oh my goodness. Whoa. You saw that. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you like it, click that like button. Dislike that video. Leave me a comment. Shares is always approved. As you know, your boy, the average YouTuber, average content creator, Silent Snake. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, and hope to see you in the next one. Peace.